filament. One is by program using the software. Another one is directly from the printer. But usually I will not use direct printer. Yeah, because 很麻烦. You need one double press or whatever. But printer is just a few clicks. It's much easier. So the software that we are using, right, is actually called Art Studio. Maybe I should put it here so it's easy. Yeah, here. The old software is called Art, but now they modified Factor software, so it's called Art Studio. So basically just double click, then you'll see this is the page. Then it will tell you what filament we are using. Basically we are using two filaments, ABS and PLA, but I prefer to use PLA due to, okay, here used to be very cold. ABS, right, when you print, right, it tend to warp up. So it's that when it cool faster than it should, right, the plastic will curve up. Yeah. But PLA will not have this issue. Yeah. So you'll see here, it will tell you what filament is loaded in the printer. And over here, it will tell you printer is ready, means that it's ready for printing. Then you just click to
How do I power up the printer?
其实我们没有关的 ，forever 开的。
它 power source 在哪里？
后面。
要关
Yeah.
我不要关它了，我就 just in case 有一天没有把握，在后面啊。
Another better thing about Artbox Plus and Artbox, right, is Artbox Plus, right, if let's say power socket, right, it will stop. Then when power up, right, you can resume printing. This one cannot. This one you have to restart printing. But this one can. Then we go click on up, then you'll come to this platform. So over here, right, there's the plus sign is to basically add your model for printing. Then over here you can add 3D model or you can do something, but usually I don't add 2D picture. Yeah. Then this is to print. So by default, right, usually we use 0.2 mm. Yeah. So 0.2 mm is what you achieve with so this is 0.2 mm. So usually the quality is quite good for 0.2 mm. You can change to even 0.1, but it will take forever to print. Yeah. Or let's say, yeah, 不要细. If let's say 你不需要很好的 quality and you want fast, right, you can try print 0.3. It's actually okay. Yeah, but usually I print 0.2. Then this one, right, fill, right, is basically just tell you the density of the material. If you don't need a solid material, you can put no infill. Yeah, this one. So basically just the outer layer and the inner layer. Inside there's nothing. Hollow. Okay. Or you want a very high density, right? You can print 90, but this will take forever to print. Usually we choose between this one, 15%, or this one, the 20%. Yeah. So it's either these two, it's good enough already. So this one is print 20%, it's actually quite solid already. If you drop it, it doesn't break. Quality usually is normal, don't need to change anything. This one, nozzle outlet, don't need to change, it's default. And all these are default. Then you just press print. That's it, then you print. This one is when you need to start up the machine to initiate. If you print ABS plastic, right, then you need to initiate and heat up the platform. Yeah. PLA don't need. Yeah. For ABS, you need to heat up the platform so that the plastic first layer will stick well to the platform. Yeah, but PLA is okay. Then this one is calibration, later I'll talk about it. Maintenance. Okay, so this part, right, the one with the screwdriver and the spanner, basically is to, when you need to change filament, right, extrude means that the nozzle will extrude the plastic out. Then withdraw is basically to withdraw the plastic out to change it. So for now, we're going to change the filament. We click on withdraw. You'll just pick, and the temperature here will slowly increase to what is the plastic inside. So ABS, I think is around 200 plus to early 200. Then PLA is 210 or 220.
Question. So for the modeling, right?
So Fusion 360 right is a free software for students and teachers. I think used to be 3 years. Now I heard it's 1 year or 2 years. Yeah.
So they can design everything there, then they put in
Correct.
the model here.
The model for our printer to print right is the extension code right is .str. It's like JPEG MP4. So 3D printing for our printer is .str.
这个有我丢的哎。
有。要对明明学习。
Okay, 我需要你移过去啊。So you see, now the filament here is come out already. So one tricky thing about PLA is after a long time of not using, right, usually it will crack. Yeah. So like this case, you see that it breaks really. Yeah. Then you just unscrew it out. Then you can see 它已经断掉了。Yeah, 要拔出来。Usually 这个 I will just keep it because sometimes you run 3D printing workshop, you use the 3D pen, right? You can use this filament. Then okay, to change I need filament.